Welcome back to the 11-foot DIY foam and fabric kayak. That's kind of a nice shot right there. Bump into some junk a little bit. Alright, so how did I make my pad eyes? Instead of buying expensive pad eyes that will break. You can see right here, these are pretty sizable. I get my index finger through there, and I wear a size 11 ring finger, so they give you an idea how big that is. You can make them smaller like this. It's hard to get stuff through them, but if you need a small one, there it is. Let's look right over here. So I started with a 1.5 inch pipe. I took my saw. First thing I do is cut you a slit down this way for as many of these as you're going to make. Then you saw off, consecutive donuts. Then you take a cheap heat gun like this, or an expensive one if you have an expensive one. Regardless, just take a heat gun like that and lay those circles right here. That's just where I lay to heat them up until they get pliable. And what I did is I took them and I bent them around this brush handle so they all be the same. So I had a nice square edge right there. I held it down like this until it got cool enough, and I could take it. It wasn't going to flex out too much. I could take it and set it in the refrigerator for it to cool off. And once they cool off, I'll take them out and then hand sand the edges, so if you hit it with your foot or something when you're wet out there, it won't cut your foot, and believe me, it will cut you. And then take a bigger bit, countersink that a little bit, and take a smaller bit and drill on through and sand off the little booger on the back so it sits flush. And then when you install them on here, let's say I'm going to put this one here, I will put me a little dab of glue in there, not glue but caulk, and then just before I run my stainless steel screw into it. Oh, and I can't just put them anywhere. As you know, I did some wood inlays here, so you have to find your wood inlay. You can hear the difference. This inlay goes about this far, so I have that much room. If I decide this is in the wrong spot or I don't need it, I can move it. Right now I just put them uniformly across from each other. I can later on maybe get a rail or something for a camera, that sort of thing. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is I have places along here, and you can hear it right there. There's a nice piece of wood there, and no wood here, so I have one here, here, and here. So I have 6 back there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. I do have wood inlay across here, so that should be able to handle anything I want to do with it. Alright, thanks for watching the 11-foot homemade DIY foam and fabric kayak. See y'all on the next round. Can you guess what the next project's going to be in here? There's a hint. Thank you for watching.